Now we're talking about jobs. South Africa's unemployment rate has declined very slightly, though, to 27.1%. That was in the fourth quarter of last year, in line with expectations.
So economists expected the decline, supported by seasonal hiring in the fourth quarter. The largest increases in employment were recorded in finance and other business services, as well as private households.
The manufacturing, mining and trade sectors also recording some gains in employment. Employment declines, though, recorded in community and social services, as well as transport and construction. Low economic growth and the very sluggish investment climate are being blamed for those low job prospects, especially for young people. Economists expect the labour market to remain constrained until there's substantial investment in the South African economy. Glorious Sefako-Musi has more.
The increase in the number of jobs was largely in finance, retail and private household categories. Decreases were recorded in community and social services, as well as transport and construction sectors. Unemployment is, however, still very high. The low economic growth and sluggish investment climate are to blame for the depressed job prospects. The number of discouraged job seekers has increased. Stats SA says it's taking longer for people to find jobs.
As of the fourth quarter of 2018, we have seen an increase by 108,000 people quarter on quarter of those people that are your discouraged work seeker, coming to 2.8 million persons. Certainly, there are a lot of challenges. People have looked for employment and they can't find employment. And for whatever reason, some are far away from places of employment.
Economists say the marginal gains in employment in the fourth quarter are unlikely to be sustained, given the weak investor confidence.
We need to grow, and I think that is, for me, the fundamental issue here. If you look at just private sector investment as an example, between 2010 to 2017, we were growing at like 1.5%. You compare that in the period from 2000 to 2007, when we're seeing annual average growth of around 9.5% in private sector investment. And for me, part of the answer for the unemployment problem lies there, that we're not seeing the private sector investment that we need to be seeing in order to sustain employment creation.
The labour market is expected to remain constrained until there's substantial investments in the economy. Glorious Sefako-Musi, SABC News, Johannesburg.